Dexter, and you do want to practice with him in various areas. We really don't have any distractions right here, but we more want to gear the dog towards success. He does need work around distractions, but there are times you really don't want to have any distractions. So don't have my sound box collar on. I've got my neck set on about 30 because we don't have a lot of distractions. If someone wants to come jogging by or something, like that guy that looks like the Unabomber, there's actually this guy at my gym that looks like the Unabomber. He wears a hooded sweatshirt with these big sunglasses inside. He never takes the hood off. Anyway, alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to use my pager. I've got my treats. I don't have my sound box, but you'll be able to tell by looking at them what I'm doing. So I'm getting my treats ready. Good. Dexter, heel. I'm cueing my pager right before heel. Good. No, I'm not turning and him catching up. He's staying right with me. All right, so same thing on my turn towards heel. So I'm able to maintain that position of that head though. Heel, I'm trying to do this way. Heel, it's not going to happen. Good, good. Down. No. Good, good, good. At this point in the training, guys, you still want 95% success and maybe 5% correcting mistakes, not 50-50. More updates soon.